guys, welcome back to an exclusive video. Thank you for watching this and coming to my channel. Not much has happened recently that is significantly awesome. So I had the brilliant idea to try and prank my sister, and it backfired. Totally backfired on me. She's not very prankable. She's pretty boring. So, take a look at this. No, that's not. What? Yeah, I see. Well,
You ripped holes in that jacket?
um,
Why would you do that?
found it. Oh, seriously, I found your spider.
Why did you rip holes in your jacket?
I'm allowed to. And besides, there's a spider in your room now. Bye. So it looks like I'm gonna have to up my game a little bit. So good luck with that, Stephanie. Let's see how I can do next time. See you later. Up next is stupid things I do for fun. So make sure you stay tuned into that. And don't forget to check out Lone Wolf Production. Bye.